Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Bitcoin once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now on the hourly time frame, your key resistance, as you can see, is the EMAs at the moment. So you're putting your little top here. You got a top there, basically, and then you've rolled. Okay, that's kind of ABC correction at the moment, consolidating, looking for the continuation to come down to the technical target of this bear flag, basically. Okay, so you're consolidating, and what you're doing right now is, if you can look, you can see you've got that key level resistance on the 55. So you are consistently in these EMAs. Okay, you're in the 55 just there, and currently getting rejected off at 55. Now I do think that once you start to get back above the 55 and the 20 as well, and you start to hold them back test for support, that will sort of signify your correction's over and you're looking to come back up and retrace that high, putting in a new impulsive break. And you can see, you know, that's basically your right shoulder that we've spoken about all week, basically, of that big inverse head and shoulders taking us to around about 53k, 55k I think it is, you know, and that just confirms the next impulsive break off this high and low, basically, that we've been targeting. So yeah, it looks as though the EMAs are your key resistance at the moment. So I do think that you're mirroring this particular correction here, because let me show you right now. Okay, you came up impulsively just there. Okay, you came up off this low. I'll show you on the where are we? Just there. Got to keep it on the hourly because I want to show you the EMAs just there. So you come up impulsively and you corrected just there. Okay, back down to this low. So this was a 382 fib retracement, and right now this is where you are finding a key level support on the 382 retracements once more. So basically you've put a beautiful impulsive break, and right now you're coming back down to the 382. Now if you do start to lose a 382, then do anticipate a retest of 050, which is the technical target of this bear flag, basically. And I do think that that could be your low, and right there you could start to create some kind of W bottom pan and start to come back up the stairs. Okay, pretty much like what we're looking for is what happened here for Bitcoin. I'll show you. Okay, so look, this was your key resistance when you lost these EMAs. You got your little death cross, you came down to the 382, you created a beautiful W bottom pattern there. What did you do? You got back above the EMAs, you start to hold and back test of support, and with that you continued and you put your beautiful impulsive break off this high, and you came up and met all targets, basically. So you know, you've got a very similar scenario here. You've got this top retracement, top retracement. Okay, so it's very similar. You're mirroring it, aren't you? Okay, you're mirroring it. This was a really big impulsive break. It was a huge breakout. Okay, so do expect that this sort of scenario can happen again. Once you start to break out here, you could be in for an explosive break here for Bitcoin. Now obviously there's no guarantees, but if we do start to retrace any deeper and lose these key level support, you know, if you start to come down to the 0618 at 39674, starts hitting its head like that, I do think that that could be quite negative for Bitcoin, and it could give a precursor to the fact that you are creating something called a reversal wave. You start to come down, hit your head, you're coming down to the 1618, and you can see that's a lower low than that, and with that you're rolling essentially, and this was a bit of a fake out. Okay, but we've got to adhere to price structure at the moment. This is bullish. This is bullish price structure. You've got some kind of channel on the go here, and that would be a key level support for me, you know, the 050, which is a technical target of a bear flag, and that would be an amazing little entry point right there. But again, nothing I say is financial advice. Okay, it's all for educational entertainment purposes only. But one thing we're looking for in this retracement, you know, to be complete and get a sort of signal, okay, the bottom's in, is getting back above the EMAs, drag them over your shoulder, create a lovely little buy and go to the beach. Very similar sort of fractal to this right now. Okay, where you get back above impulsively, retrace back into the EMAs of support, and then boom, you're out of there. Okay, and that's where we're looking for that break. So is the bottom in at the moment? I wouldn't say it is, because you've got some kind of level of resistance just there, obviously in the EMAs. You've got key level support just there, and this is essentially some kind of descending triangle on a key level support. So you're caught in this kind of descending triangle at the moment. You get closer and closer to the apex, like I've taught you. You always get a reaction. Okay, price compression, you always get the reaction. If you pop out, hold back test support, beautiful, you've retraced the 382, you're not going to come down to the technical target. But I would imagine if you start to come down and you lose that, okay, you're going to continue, and that would be a key level support for me, and that would be ABC done, and then you start to re-attack these highs, and it's at that point you're putting in that right shoulder and you're looking for that explosive breakout here for Bitcoin. So that's a quick little update on Bitcoin. Hope you enjoyed that update. You know, I wish I could tell you conclusively what it's going to do, you know, which direction it will definitely go in. I can tell you when you're breaking highs, okay, when you're breaking highs, you break that high, you're an impulsive break target, you lose this low, you're an impulsive break target down to the downsides. How it all works. Right now you're bullish, okay, you're bullish, you're broken out 382, you're broken out 382, worst case 50, golden ratio, hold support, come back up. Worst case, you know, start to come down, lose that, you've got your reversal wave, you're back down there. And this was a fake out and you're rolling, and your low's not in essentially. So that's basically Bitcoin. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone, bye bye.